Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to show you step by step how you can change your email address inside your ClickUp account. For example, if you'd like to change it and log in with your new email address from now on. So let us guide you through this. It is very simple. Head over to clickup.com and log into your account. And here on your home screen, guys, what you want to do is you don't even need to access any workspaces here or do anything specifically. All you will need to do is click on your profile icon in the very top right corner and select settings from that drop down menu. Here inside your account settings, guys, under profile, you will see, for example, your currently associated email address to that account. So simply click on it, delete it, enter your new email address and confirm by clicking on Save Changes in the bottom right corner. You may also enable two-factor authentication, guys. For example, if you'd like to add an additional layer of safety and security to your account by, for example, enabling that authentication through text messaging or through an authenticator app. That's totally up to you guys. That's how you do it. Don't forget to confirm by clicking on Save Changes in the bottom right, and that should fix the issue and change your current email address. So that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.